Will today be the same as yesterday? What's up, everybody? Welcome aboard to BUBBA'S Update for Tuesday, the 28th of June, and it looks kind of like our instant replay of yesterday. We've had some big up moves, and we've seen some failure in the market already. Right now, we're kind of just slightly higher, except the Dow and the S&P are pretty good, 220. But overall, it looks like we could see the exact same action as we saw yesterday, which is just a failure. Consumer confidence was a miss. But again, the news usually is already pretty much priced in. We remain short across the board, and comfortably so, even though they're slightly against us. But again, I don't see much. The only thing that could really happen this week, I think, is you could get some window dressing towards the end of the week. It is a shortened holiday week. And we'll see what happens from there. Crude oil is popping up once again. We're short. Obviously, which I said yesterday is not exactly the side I'd like to be on because I do think it's going much higher. But again, I'm going to follow the trend. Gold and silver are lower, which is not a surprise. But basically, as I wrote for Kitco this morning, they're like death warmed over. They're hardly moving. It's like there's not even any trading going on in there. But we are still short, just the same. Bonds and notes are lower. We're still short. And again, interest rates are going higher, so you can think what you want, but the bottom line is bonds are going down. There'll be rallies, but they're going to go down. The dollar is higher, and we're long. It's over 104. Bitcoin is higher. We're still short. The copper is higher, which makes sense. We came right down to support. We're still short, though, and very comfortably so. The nat gas is higher, which we're short. We're getting a little bit of a bounce, not a surprise. As we look at the grain markets, grains are up across the board this morning. And again, we talk about this all the time, the churning right now and the lack of real direction. I mean, they're really just in a big swinging range-bound market right now in the grains. And again, it wouldn't surprise me if they ended up lower on the day. It wouldn't surprise me if they kept going higher. Again, we're short them all, but you're really just in a range. And as you know, I'd love to be long them longer term. Okay, I think we're going a lot higher, but right now, again, the trend is short. In the protein complex, you've got fats and feeders are both lower, which we're long. But I think, as I said yesterday, the hogs, the fats, and the feeders are all kind of in fairly priced kind of ranges, without anything that's really too dramatically exciting one way or the other. And I think that's what you got to focus on, is that there's a greater likelihood, I think, that they see downward movement from here. But I think they're kind of in a fair priced area, depending on how the inflationary cycle plays out and whatever. And in the softs, you've got cotton is higher. We're still short. Cocoa is flat. We're short. Sugar is flat. We're short. And OJ is higher and we're short. And coffee is lower and we're long. We'll see what happens. Again, it's very quiet. It's going to get quieter. This is going to be a crappy week from a volume standpoint. We're already on light and low volumes to begin with. And now you're throwing the holiday, which means with no jobs number Friday, Thursday, by mid-Thursday, it'll be a ghost town. So just be careful. That's all I can tell you. We day traded this morning together, and we had 5 or 6 trades, all either break even or winners. So again, but you got to be very careful and pick your spots. In the meantime, we'll see you back here again tomorrow with another Bubba's Update. Have a great day, everybody. And don't forget about our sponsors, scrolling on the bottom or on the sides, Capital Trading Group, Trader Brokerage, and, of course, our high school program. Have a great day, everybody. We'll see you later.